Hey, I saw your TV was on and thought I'd swing by. I need you to do something for me, Peter.
What is it? You name it.
I need you to kill me.
What? Quagmire, I can't do that. You're my best friend.
Please, I'm begging you.
Well, if it's really come to that, that's what you really want. I'll do it.
Oh, thank you, Peter. And you have to do it. You can't let me out of it, no matter how much I insist.
It's done. I'll come get you tomorrow.
Thank you, Peter. Thank you so much, baby girl. Daddy's going away for a while. I can't. Ow! Ouch! God, those claws went right through my pants. Oh my God. Oh my God, they're gone. Kitty, you did it! You broke the curse! Peter, no, they got away! My hiccups are gone!
Oh, no, that's exactly what you said not to listen to.
Peter, please, I swear, they're gone! Listen!
Sorry, Quagmire, I promise to take you out of your misery. And when I give my word on something, I give it my all.